If you're tired of feeling stiff or inflamed, we're fixing that right now. Welcome to your 15 stretches in 15 minutes to unlock your joints and reduce inflammation. These are science-based movements that I taught in therapeutic practice, designed to help you heal without ever getting on the floor. I'm Suzanne Andrews, founder of Functional Fitness on PBS TV. This works perfectly as a standalone, but I've also included a link to the full 30-day schedule in the description below. So do your body good and subscribe for more functional fitness workouts. All right, let's get started. Into your vital flow breathing. Inhale as you bring your arms up, inhaling through your nose. Expand your ribs. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. This gentle flow helps enriching oxygen nourish your joints, reduces stress, and lowers cortisol, which can support fat loss naturally.
Exhale the weight of strife. Quiet the mind, let the body be still. Moving with grace, guided by will. Let it go and let it be.
Into joint awakening arm circles. All right, roll your shoulders back. Now add in the arm circles. Open through your chest. This helps with reaching into cabinets or putting on a jacket without pain. By flowing from one move to the next, your body stays active, your heart gets a boost, and you burn extra calories throughout the day. And now let's go ahead and reverse. Big circles. And integrate the breathing. Inhale, exhale. Into circle of life. So put your hands on your hips. Inhale and exhale and rotate as you come down slowly. Now, if you have osteoporosis, it's really important that you just hinge at the hips. Don't round your back. All right, now you want to gently tighten up your waist to firm it up. This helps with turning and reaching, like grabbing something from the back seat of your car. Keep the movement smooth. Inhaling up, exhaling, and now reverse, going down. Into a wide stance, so your feet are wider apart than your hips, and knees are bent, elbows at 90 degrees. Now you're bending, and then you straighten your knees as your shoulders rotate. Fingers wide, pelvis gently tucked. We're using precision loading here to safely strengthen your legs, which protects your joints and improves your balance. Mindful movement like this will keep your metabolism active. Into the waterfall. All right, so you want to bend your knees slightly, and you're going to have your hands like this and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged. This keeps your spine moving so bending over doesn't strain your back. Feel each segment of your spine opening up. Knees are bent, you're rolling down. And now straighten up your legs and come up. Nice and gentle, never lock out your knees. Now inhale and exhale. Into prayer reach, one of my favorites. Put your palms together. Now reach up. Inhale and allow your eyes to follow your hands. Inhaling through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Lower with control. This helps with overhead movements like reaching a high shelf without shoulder pain. Feel the length in your spine and keep going.
Bring your palms together, center and still, a prayer for the body, a quieted will, lifting up slowly, let the stiffness release, reaching for light, finding your peace.
Into the crane. You may need a chair or something to hold on to while you do this. All right, lift your leg up and place your hand under your thigh. Opposite arm reaches up. Find your balance. This improves stability so you feel more steady while walking.
Inhale the energy, exhale the weight, soar through the shoulders.
All right, switch sides.
It's never too late, feeling the healing, beginning to mend, holding this moment, a message we send. Inhale the light.
Time for a quick reset. Healthiest blessings. If you want the full program, my doctor recommended DVD Healing Yoga for Mind, Body, and Spirit that offers 3 levels, standing for toning and chair exercise, demonstrated by myself and my therapy colleague, check the link in the description below. All right, let's get back to your healing moves. Into diagonal arm stretch. So reach your arms up. Feel that wonderful opening in your chest. And now the other side. This helps with everyday twisting movements like fastening your seatbelt or looking behind you. And now allow your head to go up. That's it. Getting some flexibility in your neck. Into the flying eagle. All right, stand tall. Reach your arms up as one leg goes back and coming back down. And then the other side. Now inhale, exhale. So we're just alternating. Each leg goes back. This improves coordination and stamina so you can walk longer without fatigue. Inhale, leg back. Exhale, arms down and legs back into place. do a Tai Chi move. Open and close the door. So you want to open the door and come back and open the door and back. That's it. Now close the door and close the door. You want to keep it smooth and flowing. This helps your joints move more freely, so everyday movements feel easier. So now we're closing the door and close and open and open. You're doing great. Close, close, open and open. Another favorite, especially with my arthritis in the hips. All right, this is a side reach and a hip stretch. So put your foot back and reach it up. And just hold that stretch, a good long therapeutic stretch for 30 seconds. And then we'll switch sides. Think of your hip like a beautiful fan. We are gently opening it up. And switch. Into crouching tiger, so one leg goes back, this one goes forward. There's a slight bend to your knee. Hands are in prayer pose. Chest is lifted. This strengthens your legs for stairs and getting out of chairs while protecting your knees.
Mountains breathe in the silver mist. By the ancient sun, the earth is kissed. I sing my roots where the shadows play.
And switch legs.
Turning the strength of the night into day. Heart of a tiger, soul of the trees, moving with power, flowing like...
All right, we're going into neck turns now, so just turn your neck. Inhale and exhale, but keep your neck in that position. This is a nice, long, therapeutic stretch to decrease tension, tightness, and pain. And this is really essential for driving when you need to look and see if there's somebody in the other lane.
Mountains breathe in the silver mist.
And now other side. Inhale.
By the ancient
Just let the neck
sun,
stretch
the
happen.
earth is kissed.
Don't force.
I sing my roots where the shadows play, turning the strength of the night into day. Heart of a tiger, soul of the trees.
Into neck tilt. All right, so just allow your ear to come to your shoulder. Now keep your shoulders relaxed. Don't bring them up. All right, keep them relaxed. There you go. Now if you want more of a stretch, put your hand right here, but don't force it.
New strength is about to begin. One day longer is one day stronger.
And other side.
I'll see you tomorrow. We're going further.
into your vital flow. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly and let everything relax. Notice how your body feels now compared to when we started. You can do this workout anytime you need immediate relief, or follow the full 30-day schedule linked in the description below. Inhale, exhale, and comment below what movement feels easier right now. Turning, reaching, walking, or just comment done so I can cheer you on. Inhale, exhale. And thank you for taking time to be with a very important person, you. I'll see you in the next functional fitness workout. Until then, one day longer is one day stronger.